Hi everybody, it's Gena Maselli with Writing Momentum, and I just thought I would share something fun with you today. I love getting a planner. I use a hard planner, a paper planner, and I love planning what the planner is going to be like. And anyway, last week I ordered my 2019 planner from Plum Planner. And I found this company about 4 years ago and just really loved it. I love that they're allowing me to customize it, and they've got so many different choices, and their stuff is so beautiful and such good quality. So anyway, I just got my 2019 Plum Planner, and I live by my planner. If I don't write things down, I just forget it, or I just have so many moving pieces, like so many people, that I just need help keeping my life organized. And so I've tried electronic planners before, and they just really don't work for me. It works better for me just to actually write something down. So anyway, like I said, here's my planner for this year, for 2019. And I'm really excited about it. So I thought I would share it. Chris and I were talking about sharing with you guys how we plan, just how we keep things organized with our writing business and with our writing, because we're like a lot of you. We've got young kids. I homeschool my kids. I also write. I've just got a lot of different moving parts in my life that I have to keep organized. So we thought we would go through kind of how we keep things straight. Maybe it would inspire you or help you. The planner, one of the things that I love about Plum planners is their covers. And that's kind of a sample of what the cover material is. It's very durable. This will be my fourth one, and I've never had a cover tear or anything. So here it is. I got to pick out the cover art, the graphic on the cover, and then I added a photo with my name and the year for next year. And I tried something different this year. I really love it. I really love I've never had one of these tear. I don't know what material it is, but I've never had one tear. This year, I decided to go with their priorities planner because I realized I don't really need a planner that has time scheduled out for every day. I just really need to know kind of what I'm doing today. So I decided to go with their priorities planner, which gives me a space for priorities to do, and then it gives me extra space down here to make notes. It does give me a monthly layout, which I can keep track of my appointments and things on here. I've discovered that I really don't need a lot more than that. And then at the beginning of each month, there's goals for the month, birthdays and special events, things to remember, and then I add in extra note pages. This is when I'm working on projects throughout my month. I can add in different note pages, or I can take notes from different meetings. Then I also have a to-do list, and I add extra of that at the back so that I can keep track of to-do lists for different weeks. I can do an overall to-do list for the week. So I'm really excited. Now I added in something extra. Oh, this was pretty cool that they offered this year, and I didn't see this. I haven't seen it before. Maybe they've offered it before, but it's brainstorming ideas, which for me works really well. Personally, for my own personal writing, I used something like this. I thought this would work, but also as Chris and I are working on our freelance writing business, we have a lot of times where we do production meetings pretty regularly, and we just kind of talk about what our goals are for the next month or the next couple of months and what we're going to be working on personally for our own business, but also for clients. And so I was pretty excited about the brainstorming section that they had in here. I thought I could really use that. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Now I do have a link I'll be posting in this on the comments check out Plum Planner. I know there are lots of planning companies, so you know, this may not be the right one for you, but they did write on there something like there was a discount. So I'm going to put a discount code down in the comments. So if you want a discount, if you look at their stuff and you like it, check it out. You know that you can save a little bit there. You can also sign up for sign up for their newsletter, and they give discounts there. I will say this is my 4th year, and so I ordered this in October because the closer I got to 1 year, I ordered in December, and there was kind of a backup. So I didn't actually get my planner until like the first week of January. It took a few weeks to do it, just because there's so many orders. So anyway, wanted to share this with you. Like I said, Chris and I will probably be doing some videos to talk about how we do our planning for our business, for our freelance, for our own writing. So you can be watching for that. And I hope you have a great day. I hope you have an organized 2019. And have a great day. Be blessed. Bye-bye.